This is going to be an emergency update about Bitcoin's price because Bitcoin is moving quite a lot in the imminent short term, so I'll try to keep this video short. So in the imminent short term, Bitcoin is moving a lot, and the question is this pump about to continue still towards the upside, or are we about to get a dump and a rejection right here? We need to have a look in towards that, also have a quick look in towards the longer term, because that is as well looking very interesting. Have a quick look in towards Ethereum, and without any further ado, let's have a look into what's at imminent short term for Bitcoin. And first of all, I want to be starting off with saying that yesterday's video once again was perfect. We were having a look into what's this falling wedge structure. I was telling you that if we were gonna break out this one towards the upside, I'm definitely going to be interested in opening up this long position, because then we are most likely going to be breaking above these previous highs. And look at exactly what we are doing right now. So I do not want to be shilling all of my calls, but literally inside of the imminent short term, literally all of these moves, we have perfectly been predicting all of them. And right now as well, Bitcoin is blasting off towards the upside. Now, what we need to have a look in towards is going to be this ascending triangle, because if we are going to be closing this daily candle above the 38k level, well, that is going to be huge for Bitcoin. We are going to be having a price target all the way up, if we measure it correctly, all the way up towards that 41.1k level. But I have been saying already previously around that really the level to break and really the level to watch is going to be this 39.7k level, which is going to be this previous level where we dropped off and created this huge crash from. So in my opinion, that is going to be your take profit level. Now, one thing to do keep in mind is that if you have missed out on this trading opportunity, this is right now not the time to be FOMOing in towards the Bitcoin chart. This is rather actually a time to be taking a little bit of the profits off the table, because yes, we are reaching this resistance level. Maybe potentially a new trading opportunity will arise in the imminent short term, and then I would be watching maybe some kind of a symmetrical triangle, maybe some kind of a consolidation right here being created, and in that case, if we are going to be breaking that one out towards the upside, that is going to be your entry point. But right now it is just too risky in my opinion to FOMO in towards the Bitcoin chart. In the imminent short term, yes, we are also testing this resistance from maybe a rising wedge pattern that we might be forming. Now, if we are going to be getting rejected right here, that would be horrible for the Bitcoin price, but in my opinion there are not many signs that we might get a rejection right here. We are still trading inside of this uptrend, and if we are not going to be seeing this rejection or resistance from of this level, well, we are still looking very good. We do want to be breaking above this level first of all before confirming that we are headed higher, okay? But as of for right now, in the imminent short term, well, it is looking rather bullish. Now, also having a look into what's that liquidity, well, we exactly grabbed that liquidity that we were already discussing this morning on my Twitter page. If we reload this chart right here, you can clearly see that we have grabbed this liquidity on the top side and that we are pumping right now above. A massive short squeeze is right now happening because we are liquidating all of these short positions. The funding rates are also looking very good. So in my opinion, if we are not going to be getting a strong rejection from of this resistance level right here, well, Bitcoin is still looking pretty good in my opinion in the imminent short term. And Ethereum is as well on a huge decision point, because in 2 days time, we are going to be closing our 2-week candle. And if we can be closing our 2-week candle above this previous resistance, well, that is going to be very bullish for the Ethereum price. Whenever that break happens, I definitely do see $3,000 coming for Ethereum. And if you do want to be trading either Ethereum or Bitcoin, make sure to go ahead to that first link in the description, and you can claim a free Bitcoin, Pepe or Ethereum trade worth $1,000. So this is absolutely insane if you do want to be trading Bitcoin or Ethereum. And yesterday, Michael Saylor once again bought a huge sum of new Bitcoin. Michael Saylor is now over $1 billion in profit. And some people still say that Michael Saylor is always buying the top, because whenever it was announced that he has bought these Bitcoins, well, Bitcoin had about a -1% drop in the imminent short term. So people are always saying that Michael Saylor is buying the Bitcoin tops, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Honestly, DCA is the way to go right here. I've highlighted all of the times he has bought Bitcoin. To be honest, it is not true at all that he is buying the Bitcoin tops. DCA is really the best strategy if you want to be holding Bitcoin for the longer term, and the best day to buy Bitcoin is every single Wednesday. And today we have just started a new month of December, and November has been quite a bullish month for Bitcoin, but I also do expect that December once again is going to be another bullish month for Bitcoin, because the cycle is once again exactly repeating. And if we have a look in towards this signal, we have just closed 7 weekly candles in the green, and whenever we previously did this, well, it pretty much signaled a huge Bitcoin bull run that was around the corner. So once again, our next big resistance is really going to be that 41k level. That is going to be the huge level of resistance, and also the exact price target of this breakout we might be getting over here. So that is going to be the bigger level of resistance we really need to have a look in towards for a bit of the longer term. After that, we are going to be having a look into what's this 48k level next. That is going to be my longer term target in the coming few months. But of course, on our way towards these levels, we can still expect pullbacks to happen, and we are not going to be reaching these levels in a straight line. And with that being said, make sure to claim your free trade that you can right now claim, and also follow me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.